I'm Uncle Al, and I'm here to tell you what you probably didn't learn at school. You may not have gotten from your folks. And this one I'm very sure your accounting teacher really understands. I mean, really understands. Hey! I have had friends in my life, one recently and several throughout the years, that have been in a situation where they're having to make a decision. Do I repair the old car or do I get a new one? Which is a valid question sometimes when the repair costs get up there. But what you have to remember is, do not confuse the repair bill with a monthly car payment and try to make those look like they're the same thing, because they're not. The repair bill is a one-time payment. Hopefully, that it's done right. But it should be a one-time payment and done. So when you look at it for over the next year, from today when you make the decision, you have one payment of, say, $5,000. The repair is $5,000. So you're looking at $5,000 versus, say, $350 a month for a new car. And you look at the $5,000, and you look at, well, I got to pony that all up now. And what you forget is, in the 12 months where you've only spent $5,000, or you've spent $5,000, depending on how bad it hits your wallet, over here, this monthly payment with the ensuing insurance cost, remember, new car increases insurance costs badly, okay? You've got to watch that. So I don't want you to confuse the monthly payment and not understand the total cost of what that is. It's not the bill versus the payment, because the payment in 12 months, okay, $350 plus the added insurance cost, say that's $75 a month. Guess what? You're up near that $5,000 bill. So you can pay that 1 year, one time bill for $5,000, or you can pay the new car one time for a new. It seems like even that's equal. But it's not. Because this one-time payment for the repair bill only lasts one time. Your car payments, even for a used car these days, is likely to be 3 or 4 years if you're trying to finance it. And if it's a new car, it could be 8. Now you got $5,000 a year in payments, monthly payments, over X number of years. So it's not $5,000 versus $350. It's $5,000 versus over $30,000. Just saying. Please, when you get into this predicament, or a friend gets into this predicament, just show them the math of this so they go and make an honestly good decision for them. And it may be getting a new car, because this car over here that keeps breaking down with the bill is just over. They wear out. They're mechanical. Sometimes there's a time to move on. And sometimes you need to pay the bill because the real cost of the payment is far too high. Your choice. Hey, I'm Uncle Al from the Markus of Americus Project, where we're trying to put politics back into a lane. If you like what video I just did, if you go to this website here, you can see some of the Markus stuff, or click here on either Rumble or YouTube or Odyssey, and you can see more videos about what I do. You could like, share, and subscribe. That would be great. I'd really appreciate that too. If you want to support me in a long-term sense, or even a one-time gift, you can go to this website here on Locals. One-time gift, monthly subscription would really help what I do. But until the next time we see ya, and the next time you have to make a decision between the repair and the payment, please be good and be safe. Bye.